The pet shop. They're in a pet shop. Goldfish. It's a scorpion. Absolutely a duck. Is this mouse? Oh, there's a frog too. He's pointing a duck. Pet shop. Everyone wanted a pet. Chip wanted a rat. This is a rat. Oh no, said everyone. Rat is a very big mouse. Beef wanted a spider. This is a spider. Oh no, said everyone. Keeper wanted a snake. Whoa. Oh no, said everyone. Everyone wanted a goldfish. Look at their faces. They're very satisfied with this pet. After reading, look at Mom and Dad's faces on each page. Ask, how do you think they're feeling? How do you think they're feeling in each page? Oh no, they're frightened. Very scary. Now they look very satisfied and happy. Question number 2. Help your child to label the animals in the pet shop using sticky notes. We already checked out which animal is that. Number 3. Ask your child to say which pet they would choose and why. What kind of animal do you like to have? The pet shop. Everyone wants a pet.